Okay, so greetings to everyone. Welcome to CAP Engineering Video Tutorials. Okay, so ginawa ko tong video na ito is kasi may nag-request na mga estudyante ko na nalilito pa sila in how proper solution in solving moment of a force about a point. Okay, so dahil dyan, magbibigay ako ng another example. Okay? So, continuation lang ito ng Module 1, Part 1. Okay, so let's start. Okay, how about this problem, no? Sample problem 1.4. Two men exert forces of F 80 pounds and P is equal 50 to 50 pounds on the ropes. Determine the moment about point A. So, ito yung moment at A natin. And then, may dalawang tao, no? Wherein at B at C, no? So, ang pinadidetermine na sa atin is how to calculate or how to solve or determine the moment about point A. So, ang unang gawin natin is may dalawang forces tayo, no? So, F and si P and si F. Okay, so ang unang gawin natin is i-convert natin yung forces P and F into its components. Okay? Kasi may dalawang forces yan. Kung i-convert natin to into component forces, so magkakaroon tayo ng apat na forces. Tagdadalawa sila. Okay, so unahin natin si P, no? So si P is kunin lang natin yung component of forces niya with respect to vertical and with respect to horizontal, no? So this is the component. So this is the component Px and this is the component Py. Okay? So since in this rope at B, no? At B, this is 45 degrees, no? By the rule of angle of elevation in trigonometry, so therefore this is also 45 degrees. Okay, so this is component Py, component Px of the component of force P, no? And next is i-draw natin yung F na naman, no? So component ng F is ito yung Fx natin and ito yung Fy. Okay? So we know that moment, no? Moment is equal to force times distance. Okay? Yung sa last topic is sinabi ko doon na kapag yung line of action ng isang force is mag-i-intersect siya sa moment of a center, is talagang walang maproproduce na moment at that point, no? 'Di ba sinabi ko doon? Okay? So may apat na force. Tingnan natin yung figure natin. So may apat tayo ng forces, no? Si Px, si Py, si Fx, si Fy. Okay? Hindi natin hindi na natin titingnan si F and si P because we convert P into two components and F also. Okay? So, titingnan natin si Py at si Fy. Okay? Titingnan lang natin tong dalawang to. Okay? Kung i-extend ko siya, okay? Kung i-extend natin yung okay? Wait lang. Anong kulay, no? Okay? How about Py, no? Kung i-extend ko lang, okay? Kung i-extend ko siya, okay? Ang line of action, okay, ng Py, okay? Okay? So, ito yung line of action ng Py. Okay? Tingnan natin yung line of action ng Py. Okay? Di ba mag-i-intersect yung line of action ng Py sa A? So, therefore, Py cannot produce moment about point A because the line of action of Py is mag-i-intersect sa point A. Okay? So, therefore, conclusion tayo na ang Py is cannot produce moment at A. Okay? It cannot produce moment at A. Okay? How about yung Fy natin? Okay? Kung i-extend ko yung Fy, line of action ng Fy, okay? Ito yung line of action ng Fy. Okay? At titingnan natin is yung line of action ng Fy is mag-intersect at A. Mag-intersect siya at A. So therefore, there will be no moment produced ng Fy because nag-intersect no? So therefore, may dalawang forces na lang tayo. Okay? Si Px at si Fx na i-consider natin na makakaproduce ng moment at A. Because sabi natin is si Fy at si Py is hindi makakaproduce ng moment about point A. Okay? Kuha nyo? Okay? So, i-consider na lang natin yung Fx at si Px. Okay? At take note, yung moment natin is force times distance. And force is perpendicular to the moment arm. Okay? No? So, solve na natin. Okay? Solve na natin. So, solution. Okay? So, solve muna natin si Px. Okay? So, si Px, by solving the component of P with respect to horizontal, that is Px. So, therefore, Px is equal to 50 cosine 45 degrees. And that is equivalent to 35.355 pounds. Okay? Hindi na natin need si Py. Okay? So, hindi na natin siya solvent. Okay? So, how about Fx? Okay? How about Fx? To solve Fx, ito yung F natin. And solve natin yung Fx lang. Hindi natin solve sa Fy. Okay? Kasi hindi ito makakaproduce ng moment at A. Okay? So, Fx lang natin yung solve natin. Okay? How to solve Fx? Okay, so Fx is equal to 80, F is 80 pounds times 4 over, this is 4 over 5, because horizontal to, yung Fx natin. So, yung ratio niya, with respect to horizontal, is 4 over 5. Okay? And that is equal to 64 pounds. Okay? Naintindihan nyo? Okay, so, okay na tayo. So, calculation na tayo in how to solve moment at A. Okay? So, moment at A is equal to the summation of forces produced by Px and Fx. Or moment at A is equal to summation of forces times distance. Summation of all forces times distance. And we assume that clockwise is positive. Okay? Assumption lang natin to na clockwise is positive. Okay? So, isa-isahin natin to. Okay? Isa-isahin natin to. So, Px, okay, so moment at A, moment produced by Px about point A. Okay? So, tingnan nyo yung arrow ko. Okay? Tingnan nyo yung arrow ko. Okay? So, ang gagawin natin is, i-rotate lang natin yung Px about point A. Okay? So, tingnan natin yung arrow ko. Okay? So, ang rotation niya is ganito. Okay? Kailangan iikot at iikot lang siya about point A. Okay? Okay. So, anong rotation to? Okay? Anong rotation to? This is, okay, anong rotation to? This is counterclockwise. Okay, this is counterclockwise. And we know that if clockwise is positive, so therefore counterclockwise will be negative. Okay? So, negative. So, therefore, the moment at A produced by Px is equal to negative. Okay, that's why negative, okay, negative times force ng Px, what is the force of Px, is equal to 35.355. So, negative 35.355, okay, that is the force. And what is the moment arm? Okay, so therefore, this is, okay, Okay, if this is the line of action of px, no, and so therefore this is the moment arm of px. Okay, the moment arm is the distance between the moment center from the line of action of a force. Okay, and this is perpendicular. Okay, so what is the moment arm of px, no, from A? Okay, so it's equal to 6 plus 12, that is 18 feet. Okay, so negative 35.355 times 12 feet plus 6 feet. Okay, this is the moment, produced by px. Okay, that is the moment produced by px. Okay, and moment produced by px is counterclockwise, and that's why negative to. Kasi nag-assume tayo na clockwise is positive and counterclockwise is negative. Okay, gets nyo? Okay, so okay na to. Okay, na-explain ko na to. Okay, how about this one, no? Moment produced by fx. Okay? Okay, so titingnan yung arrow ko. Okay, tingnan nyo yung arrow ko. So, ang gagawin natin is same. Okay? Paiikutin lang natin yung fx about point A. Kailangan iikot at iikot yung fx natin about point A. So, ang rotation natin is ganito. Okay? Okay, so yung rotation natin is ganito. Okay? Kailangan babalik at babalik siya. Okay? Okay, ganyan siya. Okay? And then what is this rotation? What is this rotation? Okay? What is this rotation? This is clockwise. So therefore, the moment produced by fx is a clockwise moment. Okay? And that's why positive to. Kasi assumption natin is clockwise positive. Okay? Gets nyo? Okay? So therefore, moment produced by fx is equal to force times distance. So what is the force by fx? That is 64 pounds. So that's why 64 pound to. Okay, what is the moment arm of from ano tawag dito? Kalimutan ko. From the line of action of fx to moment arm. Okay? What is the moment arm? Okay, this is the moment arm by, okay, ito yung moment arm natin. Okay, ito yung moment arm natin. Okay, from the moment center to the line of action of a force fx. Okay, so what is this distance? That is 12. Okay, so therefore, by computing this moment at A, that is equivalent to positive 131.61 pound-feet. Okay, that is positive. And then, assumption natin is, kapag positive siya, is clockwise. Okay, so that's why, our final answer will be 131.61 pound-feet, okay, clockwise. Okay, ito yung answer natin. Okay, kung i-draw natin yung moment niya, okay, moment at A, ito yun. Okay, so therefore, the moment produced by the forces P and F is equal to MA. That is clockwise. And that is equivalent to, okay, to this value. Okay, gets nyo? Okay, so, yun lang, no? Yun yung basic lang principle ng moments. Okay? So, talagang hindi kayo matututo nito kapag hindi kayo mag-practice, no? Kailangan practice talaga. Study, practice talaga. No, hindi pwedeng study lang. Talagang practice para matuto. Okay? So, may set work number 2 tayo. So, isa-submit siya by next meeting. Okay? So, that's it, no? So, good luck. Okay? Study lang, study and study. Okay? So, goodbye and God bless. Thank you all.